Today we people are going to discuss internal table operations. Internal table operations we people are going to discuss. See, in our previous class, I didn't send any document because today I will send. Why means I had not complete the topic clearly, right? So that's why today I will complete the topic. So today you people see, today you people will get the documents and videos of this one. Okay, so no need to worry. Okay, today we people are going to discuss the concept of internal table operations. Okay, internal table operations. One second, I've opened the document which I have. Yeah, see here. See, internal table operations. Actually, we have mainly 6 types of internal table operations. Okay, these 6 types of internal table operations we people will use frequently in our projects. Okay, here how many predefined? See here how many? See what are those operations here? Append, insert, modify, delete, sort, delete adjacent duplicates data. Delete adjacent duplicate data. These are the these are the internal table operations. These are the internal table operations. Okay, so first of all, we people will see one by one. We people will see the internal table operations one by one. The first one is what? The first one is append. The first one is the first internal table is nothing but, see, the first internal table operation is nothing but append. Okay, append means what? What is the meaning of append? Append is nothing but adding. Append is nothing but adding. Okay, append is nothing but it's a adding. Okay, see here. See this one. What is the append here? Append is one of the internal table operation. Okay, append is one of the internal table operation. What is the main purpose of the append? If you want to add the record at the end of the internal table, if you wants to add the record at the end of the internal table, then we people can add the record at the end of the internal table with the help of the append statement. Let's we see. For example, I am going to show you practically. Yeah, see, this is the internal table concept we discussed yesterday. And see here, see, I'm going to save, check, activate, and execute. It's already activated. Now I'm going to execute it. I got the internal table data. I got the output. But see, here I want to say one thing. I made one mistake here in this program, in this internal table concept. I made one mistake. Coding wise, it's correct. Coding wise, it's correct. But where I did the mistake means, so see here, we should not write the select query vertically. Okay, that means to see here, we should not write the entire select query within a single line. We should not write the select query directly within a single line. We should not write. It's 100% wrong. Select query is correct. Queries coding is correct, but we should not specify. We should not write the select query within a single line. It's 100% wrong. If you write the select query like this, then you people will be identified as a fake people. Then you will be identified as a fake people. So here, please always, you see, in ABAP projects, if you are going to write the select queries, so don't write the select queries within a single line. Don't write the select queries within a single line. If you write the select queries within a single line, then the people will identify you as a fake guy. So always you try to write the select queries step by step like this. field by field. Just try to write like this. This is a very good process. As per the above coding standards, we need to write the select query like this. In this way, we need to write it. If you want, you can observe. If you see here, if you have any above code, just try to observe that above select query of that code. You will see like this, step by step, field by field only you can enter. Don't specify the select query within a single line. If you specify the select query within a single line, okay, then you people will be treated as a fake guy. So don't declare like this. You try to declare the select query field by field like this. It's valid. I'm going to save, checking, activating, then click on enter. Let's see. Now I'm going to execute it. Now let's rediscuss. Okay, yeah, now my client asked me. See here, what we are going to discuss, append statement, append internal table operation. What is the purpose of the append? It is used to add the record at the end of the internal table. At the end of the internal table, okay, at the end of the internal table, okay, at the end of the internal table, we need to add the record. Okay, so at the end of the internal table means what? See here, these are the internal table output. At the end means what? Here, after the 88, that means so my client asked me, Anil Krishna, you please try to, okay, you please try to add the record. For example, material number E001, for example, material number E001, created date something, created person something, class to change it on this one. So my client wants to add this E001 material number record at the end of this internal table. At the end of this internal table. See, here the client asked me to add the record at the end of the internal table. At the end of the internal table. See, if you want to add the record, at the end of the internal table, if you want to add the record at the end of the internal table, how we people can add means, yes, there is one internal table operation, that is append. So see here. So what is the syntax for the append? Append means what? Adding. Okay, adding which data we are going to add? Work area data. We are going to appending the work area data to the internal table. And see, what is the purpose of the work area? Already explained. What is the purpose of the work area? Everything will handle by the work area only. If you want to display the record one by one, yes, the work area will do. If you want to insert, if you want to add, if you want to delete, if you want to modify the records, everything